What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the homie Greg over here.
What's good?
Working?
Working.
You in the office right now, Greg? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
On the clock.
You're on the clock inside a garage. So today we're not even gonna be doing that much work, right?
No,
Greg? We're gonna be teaching Pargev, or Perky as some of you may know, how to change the spark plugs on his M2 Competition. So he's actually on his way here right now. Before he gets here, I'm gonna go ahead and move the E46 and my mom's Camry out of the way so he can park his car into the garage. Perky man, brother man.
Wow, wow, woo.
Wow, wow, wee, wow. Don't hit my car. You're good. Pop your hood.
Yeah, your guns were fake too? I'm talking shit.
Look at this, bro. That's not even aerodynamics.
What is that? Oh, your guys is real?
Yeah, ours is real.
Hey,
Shit.
The G80 was fake too, huh?
Yeah, G80's fake. But yeah, like I said before, we're gonna be teaching this little bot over here how to change his own spark plugs. Cause he doesn't know how to do jack shit on his car. So we're gonna let the car cool down a bit and then get started on it. Yeah, might as well pop that off. At least you know how to do that.
Who smokes straight mint?
Who said I know how to do it? Hey, shut the fuck up!
Bro, who smokes straight mint?
Look, you can't even take the cover off. You struggling?
I got
You struggling? Okay, what's next then?
What's next is we gotta let it cool down, watch a couple YouTube videos from Todd's garage, and what's it called? Is it just Todd's?
Yeah.
Yeah, from Todd's videos. And
Hey, you think
we'll
they'll
find one in
take
there.
his calipers?
This was a 9.
It's a 10. Watch.
10?
Put it. You already have it. Put it on there.
It goes 90 degrees, check.
Yeah.
And then it just.
You're tightening it. You feel it. Stop. All of them. Just do that to all of them. So Perky got the two covers off. They're sitting right here. Now he's working on getting this rubber off, and then he's gonna take this carbon fiber strut brace off. Right, Perks?
Absolutely.
It's only been about 45 minutes so far.
Yeah. 45?
We got 2 clips up.
We got 2 clips.
It's like 20 minutes faster than the last time.
We're ahead of schedule.
What size is that?
Weird, this
Just by looking at it.
13.
Good job. You're looking at the 1/4 inches. 3/8 is bigger. There you go, you big goof.
Before you do your spark plugs, make sure you take this off all the way before, when the car's hot.
Not slow or anything, just right away as fast as possible.
You just rev your car up till 8,000 RPM and just pop the cooling cap off.
Alright, guys, you're good.
That's how you bleed the system. After another 30 minutes, he got the strut brace off.
I've already wrote 15 essays and opened 5 accounts.
Wait, but did you do the reference pages though?
No.
We're excited?
No, I just copied from Google.
Now that he has everything off of here, he even got the coil packs off. So he's learning little by little. Greg's telling him what tools he's gonna need,
Yeah, there you
which is a special swivel spark plug removal tool. Put it in, twist
Yeah,
it,
twist
make sure it's on there. And there you go, that's your first spark plug.
So what you want to do is break that ceramic coat off, the edge. You
Mhm.
chip that and then
Throw
you
it
get
at
your
Armand's.
windshield.
Yeah, throw it out the windshield. Now you can take off the rest of the spark plugs. So Pargev got all the spark plugs out.
Did you?
And this is what they look like. They're really not that bad. The car only has like 4,500 miles or so. So right now he's gonna have to gap all the new spark plugs that he got from FCP Euro, which has a lifetime warranty for those who don't know.
FCP Euro sponsor us, please.
Yeah, sponsor us. So he's gonna gap those spark plugs to 0.022, I believe. So these are your filler gauges. This is what you measure with. Tells you a number on it.
Oh, we don't have 2.1.
Yeah, just do 2.2.
We'll just 2.2, it's fine.
So CS is 0.022. Now put that metal thing between the tip, yeah, the prong.
I think stock is like 2.8.
See how much it plays.
Yeah.
Move it like up and down, wiggle it.
Let's see
That's
how much
a
stock
lot of
is.
play.
I'm curious.
Check. It should be around 30, I think.
30? Damn. Okay.
And this tool, you literally just tighten it,
You
close the gap.
You put the tool in there and then close the gap
You-
until it
you
touches.
can.
You could do that, but that doesn't really work as good.
I remember doing yours.
You just gotta, yeah, I didn't have this.
Yeah.
You just gotta do it little by little. Yalla, yalla. Put the spark plugs back in. Yalla.
Nice shoes.
Just drop
Thanks,
the
brother.
plugs in the head. Just drop all the plugs in.
Just
Don't
chuck
do it,
them in
don't
there.
Do it, don't do it. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh, I thought you were serious.
No, you'll bend the prong. Put it on there.
This goes in
Other way.
here.
Other way?
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure?
Put
Why y'all messing with me, bruh? Why y'all messing with me?
it in. Okay. When you put it on, go slow. Do not cross thread that shit.
Steady.
Steady.
Steady. You're loosening it.
Very, very smooth.
Other way, you're loosening it.
You guys know that I like mess with you guys too, right? Like with that right there.
Shut the hell up.
Okay. And this one's in, boys. Yep.
All right, now do the rest of them. Release your inhibition, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can manage. What's the number? You have to hit 20. You're good. Right when that red light beeps, that means that's
Stop.
it. Yeah. That's it. You did your first spark plug change.
And then you just put the coil packs back in, plug them in.
Yep.
Well, he got it done.
Barely.
Let's see if the car starts though. That would have been a good idea. Should have checked that like an hour ago.
Put it in first gear and then start it.
Alright.
And just dump the clutch.
Don't.
No, it's misfiring. You hear that? Take it apart again. Okay, shut it off. Okay, what's the next thing that you have to do? You got one last thing to do.
Return the car.
Besides that,
It's very important.
clean my f***ing tools. Put everything back in their spots. And if one thing is not in the exact spot, I'm gonna hit you for every single thing.
Yeah?
All right?
You hit me?
I need to take another shower.
You gotta take a shower.
Yeah. We're good.
All right, good job, little buddy. Good job. All right, we're all done with Pargev's car now. Now we're just chilling. We're probably gonna go grab some food right now. But I wanted to show you guys, we had actually installed these new carbon fiber splitters a couple weeks back. They're looking really good. It matches like his front lip and his rear diffuser right here. I don't know if you guys remember, we installed a bunch of carbon mods and stuff on his car. The spoiler, the tips, we even lowered it. But yeah, these side carbon splitters are looking really nice. He also went ahead and installed these red M1 and M2 buttons and the start button right there. Let's see what this bot is doing over here. Hey, why are you causing a ruckus in my neighborhood?
Hey man,
We tuning over here.
smells like shit though.
That's your upper lip, bitch. I don't know if you guys remember, but we had I'm trying to make a video over here. I don't know if you guys remember, we had installed the V1. Hey!
Alright, we're
put it in the muffler.
As I was saying, I don't know if you guys remember, but we installed the V1 GTS lights on his car, but he ended up getting the V2 lights, which
These are the V3.
these are V3s?
Yeah.
Custom?
Yeah.
Okay, go f yourself. This one just has a line in it, which looks more realistic, like the OEM GTS taillights.
This is Sport Plus.
Yeah, it's just a burble, and then on Sport it's a flame. Yep, that's a flame tune.
He's in Sport. Should both put it in Sport Plus.
That's just loud as shit.
Yeah, it's in Sport.
Bro, it
that's
sounds
why.
like an airplane.
Okay, when'd you move the car outside on the by the curb?
Oh. When'd you get a paint job?
Robert, when'd you get here?
Yep, that's enough for today.
Bro.
It's loud as shit.
My back hurt. Now give a fuck.
Our neighbors love us, by the way. Alright, Perky's heading out now. You're good. No problem. Oh, look at the wheel. You almost hit your other car.
The wrap over the